I love the viral dirty spaghetti recipe so much I could not have been more excited when I heard that there was also a dirty cabbage recipe. Let's give this a try. Let's start with one package of kielbasa or smoked sausage, sliced and pan fried. I did add a little bit of avocado oil to my pan. Cook yours however you prefer. Get that browned up and then removed from the pan. As long as you have enough oil in the bottom of your pan, just add in your peppers. If not, add a little bit of oil and then add in one red pepper diced, one yellow pepper, and one medium onion, all diced. Get that cooking till it's a little soft, and then let's add in 1 pound of ground beef. And let's get that cooking. As it's browning, let's add in some minced garlic. Measure with your heart. Continue cooking that. And then we're going to take one whole cabbage, roughly chop it, add it in. Allow that to start cooking. You'll see it's starting to get a little moist. Once you see that moisture on your cabbage, go ahead and let's add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of Slap Your Mama, 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Get that well combined, and then let's continue to cook our cabbage. And I just kind of kept covering mine up. I like my cabbage pretty soft. So again, just cook it to whatever your preference is. Some people like it less soft, others not so soft. I think I just repeated the same thing, but cook it to your preference. Add back in your kielbasa. Get it well combined. And then there you have it. It is so delicious, so good. You can have it by itself or serve it with buttered noodles or some white rice. You are going to absolutely love this. I highly suggest if you've tried this and not the dirty spaghetti, give that a try, or vice versa. These are both excellent recipes. The flavor is delicious. Try it. You're going to love it. Let me know.